Whoa, check out that lizard. It is bright orange and black, like a tiny dragon walking across the sand. That is a Gila monster. It is one of the coolest lizards on Earth. Meow, monstrous. But wait, in a minute, you'll find out the Gila monster's secret superpower. It is a special skill that almost no other lizard has. We are firing up the lab scanner to see how this bizarre creature survives in the wild. Look at the American Southwest. This blazing hot, dry desert is exactly where Gila monsters live. The desert is brutal during the day. Gila monsters stay cool by hiding under rocks or inside deep burrows until the sun goes down. Here is a fun fact. See this water? This is the Gila River in Arizona. That is where the lizard gets its name. To live in this heat, you need some very special tools. It is time for the Superpower scan. Scanning the outside, notice the skin. It looks covered in thousands of tiny bumpy beads. Those bumps are tiny bones called osteoderms. They act like a permanent suit of armor built right into the skin. Those bright colors are a warning. They tell every predator in the desert to stay away. Between the armor and the colors, the Gila monster is perfectly designed to stay safe. Meow, armor skin, monstrous. Next, we look inside. Gila monsters eat eggs and small animals, but they barely ever eat. Sometimes they only have a meal a few times a year. Meow, only a few times a year? I get hungry every 10 minutes. This is the second superpower. The tail fills up with fat like a built-in lunchbox to store energy. Because of that fat tail, a Gila monster can survive for many months without finding a single thing to eat. This incredible superpower helps the lizard stay alive, even when the hot desert is completely dry and empty. Here is the secret superpower. The Gila monster is one of the very few venomous lizards on the entire planet. They make a special liquid called venom. Unlike a snake, the Gila monster has to chew it in slowly through those bottom teeth. These lizards are actually very slow and gentle. They only use their venom if a predator tries to hurt them. If we leave them alone, they leave us alone. They are quiet desert survivors with a very powerful way to protect themselves. Meow! Super rare! Monstrous! Scientists found a special protein in Gila monster venom that they use to make medicine for people with diabetes. Because they are so important to science, laws protect these lizards. In the wild, they can live for 20 years like tiny, tough tanks. The Gila monster is a vital part of the desert that helps keep humans healthy too. Meow! Quiz time. Shout out the answers. Question 1. Where do Gila monsters live? The desert. Question 2. What is special about their skin? It has bumpy armor bones called osteoderms. Question 3. How long can they go without eating? Months. You aced the quiz. Subscribe to join the lab crew before our next adventure. Let's remember, Gila monsters have bumpy armor, fat-storing tails, and rare jaw venom. Go ask a grown-up if they knew North America has a venomous lizard. Now you've met the Gila monster, but what about an animal that builds its own trap? Spiders make silk that is stronger than steel. Tap the screen to find out why spiders make webs.